Hey boys and girls, here we are back working on subtraction. So to subtract means we're going to be taking away. So we'll start with a bigger number and then we're going to subtract some, and we will always end up with a smaller number than what we started. Okay, so let's work on this practice worksheet together. Okay, so if you have to, pause the video here and get this paper and something to write with. Okay, it would be awesome if you did some 3-star coloring of these pictures, but that can be at the end. Okay, and then this here on the side, we're just going to work together and do that. That's extra, but for now we're going to count how many items there are all together, and then you see there's already some X's, so we're going to subtract that, and then we're counting how many are left. Okay, so you should be ready. Write your name in the top. Okay, I want to show you a very cool. I have a rainbow pen here. I don't know if I'll fit it. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Okay, so you can write with whatever you want. I'm just going to write Miss C for Miss Coughlin because I can't fit it. Okay, so let's start here. We have how many lollipops all together? I'm going to put a dot right in the middle. Sometimes that helps me keep track of when I count something, okay? So when you see a dot, that means we counted it. And let's all count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lollipops. And then it looks like somebody ate 3. We have 3 crossed out. So this is how many are left. Why don't you take whatever you are writing with and circle what's left. Okay? So this is what's left. Let's count together. Ready? So we're going to start again from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lollipops left. Let's write that on the line. Across the sky and down from heaven, this is the way we make a 7. Nice job. Okay, let's look at the next one. These are some sort of candy or gumdrops. Looks like all yummy things here. Okay, so let's count how many we have first all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. We'll call them gumdrops. 8 gumdrops, and someone ate 2. You see we have the 2 X's here. How many are left? So let's look at our picture. This is what's left. Let's circle or put a box around what's left. Oh my gosh, I love my rainbow computer pen. Okay, let's see. How many do we have left? So we started with 8, and when we subtract, we're going to have less than 8. So we subtracted 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 gumdrops left. Let's write that in. Down and around, like, this is the number 6, we know. Okay, 6. This is making me hungry. Okay, let's move on to the chocolate. It says candy bars, but I imagine that they're chocolate. Yum. How many are we starting with? Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 altogether. Okay, let's count. Let's see. They took away all of these with an X. They took away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? So we started with 7. I'm going to circle how many are left. How many do you see? 1, 2, 2. I didn't even have to count, but I wanted to count to make sure. 2 is a smaller number, so I could just see with my eyes that there were 2, but it is always good to double check. Let's write the number 2. Around and down and out with you. This is the way we make a 2. Okay, next one, gumball machines. I'm starting to see a pattern here. Lollipops, gumdrops, chocolate bars, gumball machines. Let's see how many there are altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gumball machines. And, does anybody know right away how many they took away? It looks like if there's 5 gumball machines, but they all have an X, that means they took away 5. 5 gumballs, and they took away 5. How many are left? I don't see anything there. You're right. 0 left. There's nothing left. There's nothing to circle. So let's write in 0. 0 is still a number, even though there's nothing there, okay? Around and down like an O. This is the number 0 we know. Okay. Let's move on to the cotton candy. Cotton candy. Yum, yum. Okay, let's count how many altogether. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cotton candies. And really quick, I can look. They just subtracted or took away 1. So 9, take away 1, or 9 minus 1. Let's count how many are left. Well, first let's circle them. Okay. It's a lot left. If you just take away 1, you're going to have a lot left. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 left. And let's write the number an 8. Like an S, but please don't wait. Climb back up to make an 8. Okay. Last one. If you're still with me, you're doing awesome. Let's count. How many? It looks like boys blowing a bubble. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boys blowing a bubble, and it looks like they took away, or let's say if this is a story, these boys maybe left. Okay, they took away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 minus 5. Let's circle what is left. How many boys blowing a bubble do we see left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Short neck, the belly's fat. Number 5 wears a hat. Okay. Nice job, boys and girls. Your challenge is to find which one of these match up to make the number sentence, okay? So this one, so actually what I want you to do is, let me do the first one for you, okay? So for the lollipops, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lollipops, okay? And then we minus or subtracted 3. 10, and the way we read these are 10 minus 3 equals 7. So that means we had 10. Here's 10 lollipops. And then we took away 3. How many are left? 7. So if I look here, let's see. Oh, that's right here. I see the 10 is first. So you see it says 10 And then this line, we read that line as minus. That means subtract or take away. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Okay, so on the back, you can, on the back of this paper, or if you've copied it or have it somewhere else, you can write this in on the other side, okay? And then, boys and girls, I want you to pause the video right here and see if you can fill in which one of these number sentences match to here, 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 and here, okay? And then we'll come back and I'll show you which ones and you can check your work, okay? Pause now. Okay, welcome back. Let's see what you've got. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gumdrops. 8 minus 2 is 6, equals 6 left. So it's right here. Okay, if you wrote 8 minus 2 equals 6 for the gumdrops, you are correct. Okay, for chocolate candy bars, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, and then we took away 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Okay, and that is right here. If you wrote 7 minus 5 equals 2, you are correct. Also, if you didn't, that's why we're doing it together, and you can just write it in now. Oh, this one I remember. This one for me, I find these to be easy. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I see an X on all of them, so I already know it's 5 minus 5. And those always equal 0. So it's right here. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Okay, if you wrote that for the gumdrop, the gumball machine one, you are correct. Okay, cotton candies. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We had 9. We took away 1, and then we said we had 8 left. So it's right here. If you wrote 9 minus 1 equals 8, you are correct. Okay. And for the last one, there was 10 boys. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boys. And then we took away 5, and we counted how many were left? 5 left. So that number sentence would be called 10 minus 5 equals 5. If you wrote 10 minus 5 equals 5 for the boys blowing bubbles, you are correct. Wow, lots of work today. Nice job, boys and girls. Keep it up, and I will see you later or tomorrow for our next subtraction worksheet together. Bye.